Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can back up the user account in our device and how can we delete a user account or local user account in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so let's get into it. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to our settings. We can do that by making a click here in our Windows icon and then go to settings option. So in here in the settings, all we need to do is to look for the accounts options in the left pane and now click on that. So here you will see the options that other users under account settings, so other users devices, device access, work or school users, and kiosk assigned access. So just please click on that, and the moment you do that, you will see all the other accounts that are made in your device. So I have here 1 2 3 3 administrator local account and 1 local account. So if you want to delete a local account, all you need to do is just click on this drop down button here and then click on the remove button in the account and data option. And also, if you want to change an account type, you can also do that by clicking on this change account type button here, and then you will see the option from standard user to administrator or administrator from administrator to standard user, and then just click on OK. Okay, so if you want to back up the files in this local account, all you need to do is to go to your file explorer. So let me just close this one, minimize, and let me go to file explorer, and in your this PC option in the left pane, you will see your drive. So just please click on that, and you will see here the users folder. So please click on that, and here you will see all the accounts that you have made in your device. So all you need to do is to click on the account that you want to be deleted or that you want to be backed up. So for example, this one, and all you need to do is just make a right click on it and then click on copy, and then you can paste it in your hard drive. Okay, so the moment you do that, you are copying all the files and documents, everything in this user account to that certain hard drive that you are inserting in your device. And once you already back up this account, then you can now proceed to removing it. So let me just close this one, and then let's go back to the settings option, and this is the one that we have backed up. So all you need to do is just click on remove, and it will say that this person needs to sign out before you can sign out this account, and you can start your PC to sign them out automatically, and then you can remove. Now you can now proceed to removing the account by just clicking this remove button here. Okay, or you can also remove this one if you don't need this one. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.